Hi, welcome to Exercise Well with me, Stephanie Mansour. Today, we're focusing on posture. Now, if you're sitting at home or if you're at work, if you're sad or stressed, you might find that you're hunched over like this. But if you're happy or feeling good, you're probably sitting up nice and tall. So that's what we're gonna work towards today. The first exercise is a shoulder shrug. So this is important to loosen up the muscles of the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders before we start to stretch them and strengthen them. So you can do this after you send an email or during a commercial break or wherever you're at, even in line at the grocery store. The next exercise is what I like to call the surprise stretch and squeeze. So with the arms right here at your chest, I want you to act like you're surprised. So you're gonna lift your chest and stretch the front of your body, and then I wanna show you what you're gonna do with the back of your body for the squeeze. You're gonna squeeze the shoulder blades together nice and tight so that you're wrinkling your upper back and squeezing your shirt. I want you to imagine that you're holding a diamond in between your shoulder blades and you're really engaging your upper back. So we've got the stretch and then the squeeze. I recommend repeating that 10 times. Finally, the last exercise is what I like to call the round and reach. So if you're sitting at your desk at work, or again, maybe you're at the kitchen table after a meal, we're gonna round forward and then we're gonna lift up and reach back, lifting the chin up towards the ceiling. So rounding forward, stretching the back, and then reaching up and stretching the throat and the front of the body. Thanks for watching Exercise Well with me, Stephanie Mansour. See you next time.